Microbes play a crucial role in various aspects of human welfare. Here are 10 ways they contribute. 1. Food production. Microbes like lactobacillus help ferment milk to produce yogurt and cheese. Yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is used in baking bread and brewing beer. 2. Biodegradation. Microbes decompose organic waste, helping in the recycling of nutrients in ecosystems to the power of 4. 3. Bioremediation. Certain bacteria and fungi can clean up pollutants, such as oil spills, by breaking down harmful substances into less toxic forms to the power of 4. 4. Antibiotics. Many antibiotics, like penicillin, are derived from microbes. These antibiotics are crucial in treating bacterial infections. 5. Vaccines. Microbes are used to develop vaccines, which protect against diseases like measles, polio, and influenza acute. 6. Biofertilizers. Microbes such as rhizobium fix nitrogen in the soil, enhancing soil fertility and promoting plant growth squared. 7. Biocontrol agents. Microbes can act as natural pesticides. For example, Bacillus thuringiensis produces toxins that are harmful to insect pests but safe for humans and other animals squared. 8. Sewage treatment. Microbes are used in sewage treatment plants to break down organic matter, helping to purify water to the power of 6. 9. Probiotics. Beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium are used in probiotics to promote gut health and improve digestion to the power of 7. 10. Industrial enzymes. Microbes produce enzymes used in various industries, such as amylase for starch processing and protease for detergents. Microbes are indeed tiny powerhouses that significantly impact our daily lives and the environment.